So as you can see, this is a double-ended bath and the taps are in the centre of it. Now I won't put the taps in the bath in the centre because you can never get to them. You can never get to them, I would never do it. People who come on and say that they do it, they're stupid. That's all I can say. They're stupid. They should never ever do it. So I always position them coming out of the wall. But what I do is I use a normal bath tap where it comes up and it has a spigot. Instead of having the spigot, we take the spigot off and we'll screw it onto a shower bracket. So you don't have to buy any fancy tap, you just buy the same reasonable tap. You take the back end off it and then you put it on the wall. It's as easy as that. Do you know what I mean? People like to blag you with all this myth and that. They're really expensive. They're not. Just use the same tap.